Activating your Consumer Cellular SIM card.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through the process of activating a Consumer Cellular SIM card. If you've recently received a new SIM card or are transitioning to Consumer Cellular, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and make sure you're connected quickly and easily. Having an active SIM ensures you can make calls, send texts, and use data seamlessly.
What do you need before starting?
Before you begin the activation process, make sure you have 1. Your Consumer Cellular SIM card. This would either come with your new phone or separately if you purchased it. 2. An active Consumer Cellular account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it on their website or over the phone. 3. The phone you want to use with the SIM card. Ensure it's unlocked and compatible with Consumer Cellular.
How do you start the activation process?
Now that you have everything ready, follow these steps. 1. Insert the SIM card into your phone. Depending on your phone model, you might need a SIM tool to access the SIM tray. 2. Power on your phone. Wait a few moments for your phone to recognize the SIM card. 3. Dial the activation number provided with your SIM kit. This should connect you to Consumer Cellular's activation system. 4. Follow the voice prompts carefully to complete the activation.
What if I'm facing issues?
If your SIM card doesn't activate immediately or you encounter any issues, 1. Restart your phone. Sometimes, simply turning your phone off and then on again can solve the problem. 2. Ensure the SIM card is properly inserted. If unsure, remove and reinsert it. 3. Contact Consumer Cellular's customer support. They can provide assistance and troubleshoot any problems you might be facing. That's it. Activating your Consumer Cellular SIM card is generally a straightforward process. We hope this guide has been helpful, and you're now set to enjoy all the benefits of your Consumer Cellular service. Stay connected and take care.